Hi guys, welcome to Tactim channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to set up game audio only without Discord account. So let's go to the OBS Studio first. After go to OBS Studio, you have to go to the settings option. Click on settings. Then you have to go to audio. Go to audio and make sure your this audio desktop or desktop audio should be default. Okay, make sure it is on default and rest you can go be the same, and you have to go to output. Click on output and then you'll find here this recording format should be MP4, so you have to click on this and choose MP4. Okay, now you are all set. Now you have to click on just start recording. Click on start recording and your recording will be started, and it will be in MP4 format, but you have to extract the audio from this MP4 format. Okay, you have to extract the audio from this video. So this is how you can do this, guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.